What if I told you that God isn't hiding his plan from you? You don't need a burning bush, a booming voice from heaven, or a perfect 5-year plan. You just need to ask one powerful question. God, what is it that you want me to do with my life? Now, if you've ever wondered that, you're in the right place. Let's clear something up. God's will isn't a secret map he expects you to decode. As in Romans 12:2 says, be not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind. Then you will be able to test and approve what God's will is, his good, his pleasing, and perfect will. That means God's will is not only knowable, it's actually something you grow into. Will is. And before we stress over career paths or relationship choices, we need to ask, am I doing what God has already revealed in his word? Here's what we do know. Love God and others, as in Matthew 22:37-39. Pursue holiness, 1 Thessalonians 4:3. Be thankful, 1 Thessalonians 5:18. And walk humbly, as in Micah 6:8. Start there and you'll begin to see the next step more clearly. When you're trying to make a decision, ask these 4 questions. Is it biblical? God will never lead you into something that contradicts his word. Is it wise? Use godly wisdom, not just emotion. What do mature believers say? Proverbs 11:14 says, there's safety in many counselors. And do I have peace? Not absence of fear, but that deep, quiet confidence from the Holy Spirit. Knowing God's will starts with knowing God. When you seek him daily, the path unfolds. Not all at once, but step by step. As in Proverbs 3:5-6, where it says, trust in the Lord with all your heart, and he will make your paths straight. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's one step you are trusting God with today. And remember, you don't have to figure it all out. You just have to follow him. God bless you. God keep you.